I am Sanket Satulkar. I have done my graduation in BSc Microbiology from Lord Universal College, Mumbai. I recently attended a workshop named Genome Editing by CRISPR, which was organized by Biodiscovery Group. I am thanking them to organize such a wonderful course for us. And one thing I loved about it is that I have attended many workshops before this, food testings of microbiology, biotechnology, etc., etc. So there was a certain time period of that workshop. There was a time given for that workshop of 2 days, 3 days, or etc. So if the topic is not fully covered, even though they stop the workshop by the given time, but here it is not like that. The workshop was of 5 days, but because of the website issue, we which we are performing a practical, which we could not perform after that because of the website. So that ma'am told that we will perform this practical. So we will extend the workshop more, 1 day or 2 day. So it was not happened on the 6th day also. The website issue was showing on 6th day also. So it extended one more day. So I loved it about that they covered the topic fully. So thank you for that. I personally thank you Biodiscovery Group India to organize such a wonderful workshop. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
I am ICS of BSc Human Genetics and Molecular Biology at Genome Editing Center for Higher Education, and I have participated in the workshop which was conducted by BDG on the topic of Genome Editing by CRISPR. It is really nice and very informative, and I really liked it.
Hi, I'm Fatima, completed my Masters in Biotechnology from Bangalore University and worked on clinical genetics of thalassemia and type 2 diabetics in Arab population. I had registered for an online 2-day workshop on SARS-CoV-2 virtual screening and docking with BDG Lifesciences. Overall, it was a very informative and educative workshop. We used different platforms like Galaxy Europe, XCAM, etc. The whole workshop was a good experience with supportive guidance in all steps involved, like compound enumeration, ligand preparation, protein preparation, docking, and finally scoring and ranking all the complexes generated. Thank you BDG Sciences, and I look forward for more online courses.